Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Making turmeric shots at home is simple. With fresh turmeric, lemon, honey, and a dash of black pepper, you can create a drink that supports immunity and digestion. Storing your turmeric elixir for freshness. Proper storage is key to keeping your homemade turmeric shots fresh and potent. You want to make sure your efforts last. Here's how to store them effectively. Refrigeration. Store your turmeric shots in airtight glass bottles or jars in the refrigerator. This helps maintain their freshness and potency. They typically stay fresh for 3 to 5 days when stored properly. Freezing. For longer storage, freeze individual portions. You can use ice cube trays for easy, pre-portioned shots. Once frozen, transfer the cubes to a freezer-safe bag or container. Turmeric shots can last up to 2 to 3 months in the freezer. Thaw them in the refrigerator overnight or at room temperature before enjoying. Always give your shot a good shake before drinking, as some ingredients may settle at the bottom. Enjoy the vibrant benefits of your homemade liquid gold. Integrating turmeric shots into your daily routine. Now that you know how to make these powerful turmeric shots, the next step is fitting them into your daily life. Regularity is key to truly experiencing the benefits of turmeric. Let's explore the best ways to incorporate these golden elixirs into your wellness regimen. Best time to consume for maximum benefit. Timing your turmeric shot can enhance its effectiveness. While there is no single right answer for everyone, some common practices offer unique benefits. Here are a few popular options. Morning boost. Many professionals recommend taking your turmeric shot first thing in the morning. Why? Your stomach is empty, allowing for quicker absorption of the active compounds. It can act as a natural wake-up call, often boosting your energy and setting an anti-inflammatory tone for the day. Think of it as kickstarting your body's defense mechanisms early on. Before meals. Consuming your shot about 15 to 30 minutes before a meal can be beneficial for digestion. Turmeric is known to stimulate bile production, which aids in breaking down fats. If you experience digestive discomfort, this timing might be helpful. With a meal with healthy fats. If you find an empty stomach shot too intense, taking it with a meal that includes healthy fats, like avocado or olive oil, can improve curcumin absorption. Remember, curcumin is fat-soluble, so fat helps carry it into your system. Anytime that works for you. The most important thing is consistency. If taking it in the morning doesn't fit your schedule, choose another time that you can stick with every day. A regular intake is more effective than sporadic large doses. Recommended dosage and frequency. When it comes to turmeric shots, start slow and listen to your body. There isn't a one-size-fits-all dosage, but general guidelines can help you begin. Consider these points for your daily routine. Starting out. For most people, a 1 to 2 ounce shot per day is a good starting point. This amount usually contains enough turmeric and other ingredients to provide benefits without overwhelming your system. Frequency. Daily consumption is often recommended to maintain consistent levels of curcumin in your body. This allows the compounds to work continuously against inflammation and oxidative stress. Adjusting dosage. Some individuals might gradually increase their intake to 2 shots per day, for example, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Always observe how your body reacts before making significant changes. Listen to your body. If you experience any discomfort, reduce the amount or frequency. You can always consult with a doctor or nutritionist for personalized advice. Potential side effects and considerations. While turmeric is generally safe for most people, it's wise to be aware of potential side effects, especially with concentrated forms like shots. Knowing these can help you consume them responsibly. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Digestive upset. High doses of turmeric can sometimes lead to mild digestive issues. These include stomach upset, nausea, or diarrhea. If this happens, try reducing your dosage or taking the shot with food. Blood thinners. Turmeric has mild blood thinning properties. If you are on prescription blood thinners, like warfarin, consuming large amounts of turmeric could increase your risk of bleeding. It's important to consult your healthcare professional before adding turmeric shots to your routine. Gallstones. Turmeric may stimulate bile production. People with gallstones or bile duct obstruction should avoid turmeric supplements or high doses without medical supervision. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also seek advice from their doctor before taking turmeric shots. While turmeric in food is fine, concentrated supplements can be different. Medication interactions. Turmeric might interact with certain medications beyond blood thinners, including those for diabetes or acid reflux. If you take regular medication, a conversation with your doctor is always a good idea. Beyond the shot, other ways to enjoy turmeric. While turmeric shots are a fantastic way to get a concentrated dose of this beneficial spice, they are certainly not the only option. Turmeric is incredibly versatile. You can easily add it to your daily meals and drinks. Exploring other methods allows for variety and ensures you are enjoying its health benefits in ways you love. Culinary applications. Cooking with turmeric. Turmeric is a staple in many cuisines around the world, especially for its vibrant color and earthy flavor. It blends well into many dishes, enhancing both taste and appearance. Here are some popular ways to cook with turmeric. Curries and stews. This is perhaps the most obvious use. Turmeric provides the signature golden hue and a deep, warm flavor to both meat and vegetable curries. It works wonderfully in lentil stews too. Soups. A pinch of turmeric can brighten up almost any soup. Add it to chicken noodle soup, vegetable broth, or even creamy tomato soup for an extra layer of flavor and color. Roasted vegetables. Toss chopped cauliflower, potatoes, or carrots with olive oil, salt, pepper, and turmeric before roasting. It gives them a beautiful color and a subtle warmth. Rice dishes. Stir a teaspoon of turmeric into your rice when cooking for a beautiful golden hue. This works great for pilafs, biryani, or just plain rice. Scrambled eggs or tofu scramble. Mix a small amount of turmeric into your eggs or tofu scramble. It gives them a lovely yellow color, similar to what saffron would provide, and a mild, savory note. Turmeric tea and golden milk. For a comforting and warming alternative to a quick shot, consider sipping on turmeric tea or a creamy golden milk. These methods are perfect for relaxation and offer a cozy way to consume turmeric. You can easily make turmeric tea. Simply steep about half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, or a few slices of fresh turmeric root, in hot water. Add a slice of ginger, a squeeze of lemon, and a pinch of black pepper for enhanced benefits and flavor. You can sweeten it with honey if you like. Golden milk, turmeric latte. This popular drink combines turmeric with warm milk, dairy or non-dairy, a sweetener, and other spices. To make it, gently heat 1 cup of milk with half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, a dash of cinnamon, and a tiny bit of ginger. Whisk until warm and frothy, then sweeten to taste. It's an ideal soothing drink before bed. Supplements versus whole food turmeric. When thinking about consuming turmeric, you often hear about both supplements and whole food options. Both have their place, but it helps to understand their differences. Turmeric shots and whole turmeric. When you consume turmeric in its whole form, like in a shot or in food, you benefit from all the compounds present in the plant. This includes curcumin along with other curcuminoids and volatile oils. These compounds work together in what scientists call a synergistic effect. This means they enhance each other's benefits, offering a more complete range of health support. It's like listening to an entire orchestra versus just one instrument. Turmeric supplements. Supplements usually contain isolated extracts, most often standardized for their curcumin content. While these can provide a higher, more consistent dose of curcumin, they might lack the other beneficial compounds found in the whole plant. They are convenient, however, if you have specific health goals that require a higher dose of curcumin and struggle to get enough from food or shots. Deciding between supplements and whole food turmeric depends on your personal needs. For a holistic approach, incorporating whole turmeric in various forms, including shots, often provides well-rounded benefits. Video. Turmeric shots offer a simple and effective way to harness the benefits of this golden spice. They provide powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant support, aid brain health, and boost your cardiovascular and immune systems. Making these shots at home allows you to customize them and ensure freshness. Adding a turmeric shot to your daily routine can make a real difference, whether you choose a morning boost or another consistent time. Remember to start with a modest amount, and always listen to your body. Beyond shots, turmeric integrates easily into cooking, teas and golden milk, offering many ways to enjoy its benefits. Embrace these natural solutions and discover how they can support your well-being. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.